Hi, welcome to Little Artist Academia. Today we'll be exploring spring and learning how to draw birds. So grab a pencil, a piece of paper, and something to color with, and we'll begin. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw a bird standing from the side and then a bird in flight. So we're going to start with the bird standing. So to start, I'm going to draw with my pencil very light curve shape for its head. And then I'm going to draw a big curve for the belly of the bird. And then for this part of the bird, the head is gonna do a nice little curve here. And then there's gonna be this long line that pretty much goes from the neck all the way to the tip of its back tails. So, and then it curves back here and it kind of meets. And so there's kind of like this shape that happens. Let me fix this a little bit. It needs to be a little bit more subtle. Okay. So in the front, their belly pops out a little bit right here. And then the back part, it all kind of flows together. And then when you draw in the wing, pretty much just flows in with this whole shape. It looks really nice. And next I'm gonna draw a circle for the eye, and then I'm gonna draw the beak. So beak's gonna point out like that. And then I'm gonna erase right here and show two curves. So it looks like the beak is more a part of the head. Like that. I'm gonna erase the top part of the head just a little bit, because it should form a little bit better into the beak. Something like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw 2 feet. I'm just gonna do really simple lines at an angle, like that, and then 3 toes, like that. And then, now for my bird, I'm gonna have the belly be a different color than the back feathers. So I'm basing my drawing off of a robin, and so the belly of the robin is usually like this orangish color, and the rest of them is black. So I'm gonna draw where that orangish color is gonna start, and then where it's gonna end over here. And then I'm gonna just draw a few lines on the wing, and then the back tail. And then I'm gonna make this bump out a little bit with these curves. So it looks like there's feathers there. And I'm gonna erase to clean it up, and that'll make it easier for you to see what I'm going for. So there you go. That's a really great start. Good job. This is our first sketch complete. So next we're going to do a bird in flight, which is, amazingly enough, actually more complicated than this one. So for a bird in flight, I'm gonna curve for the head, and then it's gonna be the belly. Another curve, top of their body, and then it's gonna pinch in a little bit and then flare out. And we're gonna draw little curves here. This is gonna show their back tail. So it kind of does this shape. It looks really different in flight versus just standing. And then have their eye, and then their beak gonna be coming out like that direction. Again, do 2 curves like I did over here. And then I need to draw the wing. So when they're in flight, the wing looks completely different. It comes up kind of like this, and then it angles out, and then it comes back kind of this type of shape. Something to that effect. And then this part is going to be the belly. This is going to be this orangish part. That's different. And then this orangish part is actually going to extend up into the wings. So you can just draw kind of an even line here. This is going to be all orange here. And then I'm going to draw in individual feathers. So I just drew this more as a reference, just to give an idea of like how it needs to be shaped. And I'm going to draw in the feathers. And lastly, I'm gonna draw in where their feet are. Now, when they are in flight, their feet are tucked toward the back of their body, so you're not gonna see a whole lot. So I'm just gonna draw, you know, little feet. Just, that's all you need. We can clean this up. We don't need this semicircle anymore. So there you go. There is a bird standing and a bird in flight. And next I'm going to color. So I'm going to outline my pencil work with marker and then erase the pencil work and then come back and fill in with color pencil. Okay, so that is one way to draw a bird standing and a bird in flight. Thank you so much for joining us today. Great job. And join us next time when we explore more of spring.